The next process in the engine build is to tighten the cylinder head down to the crank casing. This has to be done in a set pattern. As you can see from this diagram here, we have to torque each bolt down individually to a set torque. There is 4 different tightening torques on this cylinder head to get it down correctly. Get it tightened down correctly. We'll film the first one, which is just 25 newton meters, and then the rest we'll do off film just to save time. When the torque wrench beeps, obviously it's telling me that the bolts are at the correct torque setting, and we need to go no further. As I've just said, there's another 3 torque tightens of this cylinder head down to 60 degrees. We'll stop filming now because it's just to give you the general idea of how you have to correctly tighten a cylinder head down using the pattern that the manufacturers have set out.